Hi everyone, in this video tutorial, I'm gonna show to you how to set up the Bolt UI Manager from scratch. I'm gonna do three things. First, install the Bolt asset. Second, install the DoTween asset. Third, install the Bolt UI Manager asset. Let's get started. First, open the Unity Hub, create a new project. Name it Bolt UI Manager Example. OK. From the Unity menu bar, open Windows. Select Asset Store. Let's search for Bolt. Click on the icon of the asset here. Click on the Import button. Click Import. Wait a little bit, another configuration screen will be shown up. Click Next, select the name style. For me, I prefer the programmer naming, so I select this one. This does not matter. Click Next. Click Generate. And click Close. Next, let's continue searching for DoTween. Click on the icon of the asset here. Click on the Import button. Click Import. Open the DoTween utility panel, click Set up DoTween. Click Apply. Finally, import the Bolt UI Manager. Do the same steps as the previous assets. It's done now. Let's verify the installation by running the Bolt UI Manager example. From the project panel, expand Bolt UI Manager, expand Examples folder. Open the first example. Play the Unity. Click to the open screen. OK. It works. Let's open the second example. OK. It's fine. The installation is successful. Thanks for watching.